You know, America, I'm at work. I decided to start being my boy E-Tons, my little script right here, just to make sure I stay on point, chopping it up. And then we just seen an ATM come right back inside the US Bank. We looked at each other and we started wondering why. What he doesn't know is the night before there was a hacker story. A drunk guy just randomly made 100K, more than that, just tapping buttons on the ATM. Make sure you know where your money is at all times. These banks are gonna hide it in front of plain sight and say it's closed. To pivot back into who I am, what's up, I'm Ephraim. I'm your favorite developer, and I just thought I'd make a video AI generation app today. Come on, let's hop right into it. Alright, y'all, so let me give you a rundown. Step 1 is going to be research. Whatever tool you use, could be Claude, GPT, AI of your choice, or Google entirely. Step 2, detail out your plan. Have a game plan versus what the output of the AI is telling you. And document all of the bugs. That's going to be the most important thing so you don't keep running into the same AI slop. Step 3, make sure the results is something that you're expecting, or if something is not right from it, keep in mind to explain how you change the output. That's it. Let's see what's next. And what's up with AI? 1 minute AI is the smartest person in the world. The next minute is just generating AI slop. I don't get it. I really don't get it. How it could be smarter than half America, yet it can't get a simple assignment that I asked them. 8:49, it fails at NPX. 8:57, Next.js environment all fucked up. After it gave me the whole environment. Let me just continue. 9:12, shit don't work, another bug I manually have to fix. 9:14, read terminal for a duplicated file in JS and I need TSX. I made that file, don't worry. 9:17, first test, it generates nothing. 9:28, error message in the import. Mind you, if you know anything about programming, import is the literal first thing you would put in React so you can import the information you need. FFmpeg didn't work for a minute. I don't know why, but I had to manually do it again. So it doesn't support Node.js, that's what AI said. I almost backhanded my own laptop, but it would have hurt and I probably couldn't have programmed after. 9:35, the project is finished. Well, I wouldn't say finished, but it works. We're gonna showcase the results.
I'll update the video on how shit went. As you can see, I'm in the background. It generated a 7-minute video. I was 4 minutes into it, just in case you guys could believe me. Cause yeah, this shit is not coming outside. This shit is going right back on GitHub. I'm gonna private the repo.
Shout out my pops, he took me in where mama said. I love my brothers, they on my Lilo and Stitch.